Welcome to unit number 4. Let's go to the browser here and type again https /github.com/ this is capital A under summer /OBS ASIO /releases. You can see that, and I will put these links below so you don't need to type, you can just click on them. So release. All right, now that we are here, if you scroll down here at this point, you see where it says the assets here. And I'm doing this for Windows. So people who have Mac, the process might be slightly different, but this course is basically on for Windows. But I'm pretty sure similar process for Mac computer. So you have the OBS ASIO 3.2.1 Windows x64 installer.ex. That's XE. That's the one we want. So you click on that and then it will install. Again, by the time you look at this class, you may be in a different version. So it's up right here may say something slightly different, the version, but it's the time I'm recording this class, this is the current version. So we click on that, on this link, and again, you can see here it's downloading. Once finished downloading, it should indicate that it has done downloading, I believe. So let's see. Yeah, now it's done. We can click this icon here to open it, or you can go to the downloads and you should be able to see it. It looks like it's saying Windows protect your PC. Yeah, just go. We need to go and run it. Let me see more information and then run anyway. And then it will ask you, do you want to allow this app to from a known publisher to make changes? And we'll say yes. And now we go through this process, click next. And as you can see here, it's installing exactly where we want it to install. It's the C drive, programs, files, and then /OBS Studio. That's exactly where we want that to go. So click next. And then click next. And then click install. And you let it install. And it's done installing. So you just click finish. And that's about it for this class. Thank you, and see you in the next class.